FlexLink is an innovation pioneer. We disrupted the market in the 1980s with the plastic chain conveyor, and today we're taking it to the next level with linear motion and shuttle technologies, so our customers can disrupt their industries. I'm Judith Brockmann, Head of Product Management at FlexLink. I'm a big believer that innovation starts with deep listening and co-creation. At FlexLink, innovation isn't just about technology, it's about solving real customer problems. Sometimes that means taking risks, exploring new industries, and building strong partnerships with leading players in their respective fields. This openness is part of our Swedish DNA. Trust built over years creates deeper insights and enables innovation. One thing that sets FlexLink apart is that we are not afraid to collaborate with big tech, learn from Silicon Valley, or engage with Asia, where innovation and speed are currently reshaping manufacturing. Staying close to our customers ensures that our solutions not only evolve with the market, but lead it. Behind every FlexLink innovation is a deep exchange with our customers, fueled by passion. Our people are driven to find the next improvement, the next solution to a customer's challenge. That passion is where true innovation begins, and it's how we continue to lead the market. Questions? Our experts are here to help.